this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Flodesk API key. If you're using Flodesk with another software or service, you may need an API key to connect the two platforms. The API key works as a way for the other software to communicate with your Flodesk account, so it's important to keep it private and only use it with services you trust. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner and click on the circle profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Integrations. This will take you to the area where you can manage connections and API settings for your Flodesk account. Once you're in Integrations, look toward the top of the page. You should see options for integrations and API keys. Select API keys to continue. On the API keys page, click on Create API Key. Flodesk will then ask you to provide a name for the API key. Enter a name that helps you recognize what the key is being used for. For example, you could use a general name based on the software or purpose associated with the connection. After entering the name, you'll need to agree to the applicable terms and conditions. Once you've reviewed them, select the option to create the API key. After the key is created, Flodesk will display the API key on the screen. This is sensitive information, so avoid sharing the actual key publicly or including it in screenshots, videos, or messages where other people could access it. If you need to use the key with another service, use the copy option to copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste it into the appropriate field in the software you're connecting to Flodesk. Once you've copied the key, select Done to finish. If you need a new API key later, you can return to the API Keys section and manage your existing key before creating another one. If you create a replacement key, make sure the software using the previous key is updated accordingly. Keep in mind that the Flodesk interface may look slightly different depending on the version of the platform you're using, so some menu names or layouts may change. The general path is still to open your profile menu, select Integrations, open API Keys, and create a new key. And that's how you can find and create an API key in Flodesk.